In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to clan spin in Jujutsu Chronicles. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly perform a clan spin. You will be able to see your current clan by going over to your player information, and it is going to be displayed right under your student name. So you will be able to have a chance to change to one of the other available clans in Jujutsu Chronicles. So all that you have to do is spawn in Miyashi Park, and once you spawn in, go towards these two signs. You will be able to see a bunch of neon signs attached to these buildings, and you just have to keep going forward. Now, once you reach this set of stairs, turn to the left. Immediately upon turning left, you will see two NPCs. If you interact with the one on the left, he is going to offer to swap your curse technique, and you can go ahead and do this if you like. But if you talk to the one on the right, as you can clearly see, he is the one that does the clan swap. So we talk to him instead, and this is what he has to say. I'm the clan negotiator. Sometimes sorcerers wish to switch families, and I handle the negotiations. Want to join a different family? And all that you have to do is click spin. Now, I'm not going to do it in this video because I'm satisfied with the current clan that I have, but as you can clearly notice at the right side of the screen, you have 4 tiers of clans. You have mythical clans, which have a 0.5% chance of dropping, so they are the most sought after and they are extremely rare. You have legendary at 9.5, you have rare at 15, and then common at 75. The cooler ones that most people want are going to be on the mythical, but of course the chance is extremely low. To actually get one of these clans, you just have to spin. You will see the amount of spins that you currently have available here, and you can see the pity. Once you reach the pity amount, which usually is going to be 150, it means that you are guaranteed to get an ultra rare one. And you can buy clan spins as well by choosing these buttons here to spend Robux. And this is all you have to do. You will be able to get clan spins by using codes and walking around the map, exploring, and then you can use them here to clan swap. I hope I was able to help you on how to clan spin in Jujutsu Chronicles. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.